Diego's Thanksgiving special. Today we're gonna be talking about roast garlic. Okay, so hi guys, welcome back. So how do you make roast garlic? You have to set your oven to 450 degrees, and you have to grab some salt first. Yeah, I think you have to add some salt. Then you grab some pepper. Then you add the oil, just like a drizzle. Then if you want to add a little bit more, just add some salt, a little bit more salt. Hi guys, welcome back. So you wrap them in aluminum foil. Then if you want to give them a good tappity tap, this is the part where my dad comes in.
So what do I gotta do now that I come in?
I have to take over. So
What do I do with this?
put it in the. So my dad's gonna put it in the oven right now, and it's gonna. The thing fell off, so I wanna go grab it.
No, you can't grab it. Remember, it's the oven. Adult supervision.
So right now, my dad's gonna lift the thing up. We're gonna wait a few minutes. Bye everybody. I'm gonna
30 minutes.
30 minutes. So
How many minutes?
30 minutes.
And you'll
So-
see the final product.
You'll see the final product.